Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 top WWE rivalries of all time. WWE is one of the top pro wrestling company in the world. One of the reasons of WWE's success is the rivalry between superstars. There are so many WWE superstars involved in some and greatest WWE rivalry of all time like The Undertaker, Brock Lesnar, The Rock, John Cena, Daniel Bryan and many others. There is a few things that make any rivalry perfect and great, and that is storyline. Some great promos of superstars and the in-ring actions. In each WWE's era, there is a one standout rivalry present and they thrilled fans. So before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is the rivalry between The Undertaker and Kane. This rivalry all started when Kane made his WWE debut in 1997. Kane made his instant impact on WWE product as well as on the fans. This rivalry and storyline converted into the match at WrestleMania 14 in 1998. In that WrestleMania match, The Undertaker defeated Kane with the 3 brutal tombstone piledriver. This feud ran for the more than decades. During this time, both superstars become a partner from the bitter rival. Kane and Undertaker wrestle almost every type of WWE matches that company ever introduced. This rivalry improved WWE product and fans are really invested in WWE show due to this rivalry. So this rivalry always remains on the top WWE rivalries of all time. Number 4 is Daniel Bryan versus Triple H rivalry. There is no doubt that Daniel Bryan versus Triple H rivalry is one of the best rivalry of the decade. It's all started at SummerSlam 2013 when Daniel Bryan defeated John Cena and became WWE champion. During that victory celebration, Triple H turned on Daniel Bryan and then led Randy Orton to cash in Money in the Bank briefcase and won WWE championship. Then following month at the Night of Champion 2013, Bryan once again became WWE champion, but title was stripped off from him by next day. Then WWE started to book Daniel Bryan to mid-card competition and fans are furious on WWE. Fans are hijacked some WWE shows with yes chants. Most annoying moment come for WWE when fans hijack Royal Rumble 2014 with the yes chants. Finally, WWE decided to change their direction and giving what fans wants. In the end, we witnessed one of WWE best matches of the history of WrestleMania 30. First at WrestleMania night, Daniel Bryan defeated Triple H to earn title shot against Batista and Randy Orton. Later in the same night, he defeated Randy Orton and Batista to become new WWE World Heavyweight Champion. This rivalry always remembers because this is the one of the few occasions where WWE actually listen to the fans and give what they want. Number 3 is The Rock and Stone Cold rivalry. First, the feud started between The Rock and Stone Cold Steve Austin for WWE Intercontinental Championship. During this title feud, both gives us great matches as well as amazing promos in 1997. But this is just the beginning of the greatest rivalry of all time. In 1999, these two again crossed paths when Rock made alliance with the corporation after becoming WWF champion. Later, The Rock and Austin competed in a match for WWF Championship at WrestleMania 15. In that match, Steve Austin defeated The Rock and became WWF champion after a 6-month long journey. You not believe that this rivalry lasted for 6 long years. During these 6 long years of the rivalry, Rock and the Austin main evented WrestleMania for 3 times. At the end of the rivalry, The Rock retired Stone Cold Steve Austin and closed Austin's wrestling career on strong note. During whole rivalry, WWE always tried to offer different storyline, include heel Austin versus babyface Rock, heel Rock versus babyface Austin, and even babyface Rock versus babyface Austin. So these things make this rivalry greatest ever in whole WWE. Number 2 is Shawn Michaels and Bret Hart rivalry. If we prepared list of most popular name of the WWE, then 2 names always make in the list, and that is Shawn Michaels and Bret Hart. Both men laid foundation of strong WWE product when they are in their prime during 90s. How we can forget one of his most instant and personal rivalry between these 2 men? At numerous occasions, this involved in brutal WWE matches. First was come at main event of WrestleMania 12 when Shawn Michaels defeated Bret Hart and became new WWF champion. This match also set the record of longest WWE match ever, which is lasted for 61 minutes and 52 seconds. The next match was for famous Montreal Screwjob, which took place at Survivor Series 1997 in Bret Hart's home, Canada. This rivalry was deeply personal, where Shawn Michaels accused Bret Hart to having affair with Sunny. In the end, Vince McMahon clearly stole championship from Bret Hart, and that moment remembered as one of the most controversial moments in whole pro wrestling world. Number 1 is Vince McMahon and Stone Cold Steve Austin rivalry. This rivalry storyline was one of the men who stand against this boss to help WWE to beat the WCW once for and all. In the process, WWE made his position more concrete as a top wrestling company in the world. This really one of the greatest one because you can see everything that make it memorable, that is entertainment, intense, personal and brutal and full of the madness. With the help of this rivalry, WWE saved their position in the business. At that time, WWE might be lose Monday Night Wars, but this rivalry comes and change a fortune. In 1997, first turner comes of Stone Cold Steve Austin to Vince McMahon. This move laid a perfect foundation of this brutal and long rivalry. After that, Austin made sure that he never missed single chances to dethrone his boss on WWE TV. During this rivalry, we saw that beer bass all over Vince McMahon and authority in the ring. Then we also see Austin's invasion on Vince McMahon in the hospital. This rivalry creates so many unforgettable and memorable moments in the history of WWE. This rivalry ending also shocked fans at WrestleMania 17. At WrestleMania 17, Steve Austin joined forces with Vince McMahon to win WWE Championship from The Rock. So these are the top 5 WWE rivalries of all time. Hope you all enjoy it or hope you all agree with our list. If you have another list, then share with us in comment section. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.